Alright, I'm going to explain the directions for the rest of the surface area investigation, and I'm also going to show you an example of what your net should look like. So at this point we've followed steps 1 through 6. You've got your outline on the back of this paper. It's shaded with red, or outlined with red, blue, and yellow, and then shaded with orange, green, and purple. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to determine how many squares would it take to wrap the rectangular prism. Okay, you can either figure out the area of each part and then add it together, or you can count the squares individually. You're going to write that on the bottom of the page where it says total surface area. The next part, step 8 with your group, determine the formula for calculating the surface area of a rectangular prism. This is hard, but I think you can do it. You can work with people at your table. Please don't change tables. Step 9, get it checked by the teacher. If the teacher approves it, then you'll get some guided notes for the next video. If the teacher doesn't approve it, go back and keep thinking. And then you'll fill out the notes, you'll work on the worksheet, and then you'll get the challenge sheet if you finish all of that. Okay, on to what your surface area should, or your net should look like, excuse me. First of all, I already drew this line in there for you, so that should have been yellow. It's 20 long. All of these have to be 20 long, otherwise it won't fold properly. The other thing that confuses people is they're not all 13 by 20, otherwise this would have to be 13 out. These two pieces right here do not necessarily need to be here. One could be here, one could be here, or they could both be over here. I don't think you could do this way. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can't do this way. You can't do a long one because it wouldn't fit on the net over here. It wouldn't fit enough to go 13 down. So basically you can have these two kind of transposed over here, or 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, but it should look extremely similar to this. Alright, if yours does not look like this, go ahead and redo it, fix it before you move on to this, the total surface area. And then determining the formula will be what you're up to next. So the other thing that I wanted to write in here for you is the definition. Surface area is the amount of space it takes to cover a three-dimensional object. So the amount of space it takes to cover the three-dimensional object. Okay, so we'd be wrapping this up. Volume was like filling, surface area is wrapping. Alright, so finish this part, get it checked by the teacher, and then move on to the second video. Thank you.